Welcome to part 2 of what an Indian man eats in a day. This is the vegetarian version of the first video. For breakfast, I was thinking about making some cabbage and I'll have it with some bread. So let's start cooking. Next up is a little bit of salt, a little bit of turmeric, and a little bit of chili powder. Okay, finally breakfast is ready. So I have cooked some cabbage and I have 2 pieces of bread and of course some water. Today I'm not really confident about this dish because this is the first time I ever cooked this dish. This is my mom's recipe, but let's see how it is. I accidentally burned my finger while cooking this, but anyways, let's try it. This is my cabbage taste test. Wow. Yeah, it's good. I wouldn't say it's really good, but I would give this a 5.9 out of 10. Yeah, I am surprisingly impressed. This is what a healthy vegetarian breakfast looks like in my house. So for lunch, I was thinking about eating something that is not Indian. So I found these noodles, which are instant spaghetti noodles. So I'm just going to cook them and have them for lunch. This is the spice mix that comes with the instant spaghetti. And finally, a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Okay, finally lunch is ready. I was in no mood to cook a proper meal. That's why sometimes I like to make instant noodles. This is instant spaghetti, of course. I really like this spaghetti because it has a hint of garlic in it. I have put some extra mozzarella cheese on top of it, and yeah, let's try it. This is my spaghetti taste test. Wow, this is so good. Amazing. Yeah, so this is what I like to eat when I don't feel like cooking a proper meal. And this is a little bit unhealthy, but it's okay. I'm going to work out today anyways. So it's around 4 o'clock right now and I am a little bit hungry. Usually this is the time when I have some snacks, and today I'm going to show you my secret snack. It's a cheese bread that I make. So let's start with some bread. So first I'm going to put some peanut butter on it. Then I add some mozzarella cheese, and finally some cheddar cheese. And this is what it looks like before going into the oven. I don't have an oven, but it's a microwave oven. So yeah, this is what it looks like after coming out of the microwave. Yeah, this is one of my favorite snacks. It's just peanut butter, mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Anyways, let's try it. Okay, here goes the cheese bread taste test. Look at that cheese. Haha. Amazing. So for dinner tonight, I was feeling like having some dal, but unfortunately I don't have rice. So I'm just going to make some dal and have it with some bread. So let's start cooking. Let's start with some onions. And finally, the last part is garlic. Next up is cumin seeds. One spoon of salt. And 1 spoon of garlic. And after the onions are nice and brown, add the tomatoes. Next up is coriander powder, and finally a little bit of masala. So I've already cooked some dal into this other pot, and all I have to do is put that mixture that I just cooked into this and cook it for another 10 minutes and the dal will be ready. To garnish the dal, I'm gonna put some coriander. Okay, finally my dinner is ready. It took me a very long time to cook this dal. That's why I usually don't like to cook dal. Anyways, let's do a taste test of dal with some bread. It's really hot. Okay, it's good. It's not amazing, but it's really good. You might have noticed we Indians are very specific about what kind of food we want to eat at what time. Right now I wanted to eat something bland, that's why I cooked this dal. And if I personally do not get something that I want to eat, then I get really annoyed. That's why cooking has really changed my life. That's why I am a much happier person now, because I can just cook whatever I want to eat. And finally guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this vegetarian version of what an Indian eats in a day. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, and also if you want to talk to me, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you.